Hey, can everybody hear me? Testing. All right, my face. Make sure my face is in the middle. All right, guys. I think it's working. Now, I am getting high tech here. Yeah, that looks good, I think. I'm getting high tech. I have got a scheduled YouTube live here. Excited about this. Breaking new ground for me. Happy Thursday morning, the 2nd of March, if you guys are joining. I love to hear from you. So, hey, like and subscribe, leave a comment. I will give out a free custom ruler. Yeah, my custom ruler offer is still available. Let's take a look at what that does. So, if you do install it, it'll show up down here as a ruler $sign. I'm gonna select that, and you go here to here, let's say, and boom, in the silver, 27 ticks is $675. We get the dollars per tick. That's the 25 bucks a tick, which is what this instrument tick value is. And the volume. Volume counts right there. I'm running this on a 100 tick chart. I don't know. We can definitely change. Oh, that's one thing. We can change. Oh, if you want the free ruler, guys, leave a comment in this video, like it, subscribe it, give me some benefits, some social media juice, and I'll get you your free ruler. Yeah, that's because I like you and you like me. Well, let's hope so. Um, hey, I'm just a regular guy. God bless you today. I want you to know that Jesus loves you and that He is the Savior that you need. And if you haven't trusted Him yet, this is the time to do it. I'm also a futures trader and a NinjaScript programmer. I've been programming one thing or another since I was very young. We're going back to 1980. Okay, I was like 12. Maybe even a little before that, I was programming. Don't remember exactly. Could have been 1981. Um, Back then, schools were just starting to get computers in the classroom. Well, we had computer class, so that is when I kind of got connected. I think my first programming class was on TRS 80 computers, Trash 80 TRS. We called them Trash 80 because we were kids and we were stupid and pretty smug. We were very smug as children. So I'm so excited to have you here. The indicator we're going to be looking at today. Oh, it's 8:01. Happy morning to everybody. 8:01 on the 2nd of March. 2 more days and we go for a long walk, right? March 4th. Uh, Together. We'll do it together. We could do a long walk together. We could March 4th together. Let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and add the indicator directly with the defaults, and we're going to start from scratch. We're going to set up chart StructureBoss. Click on it, right? Put it down here, and the defaults are thus. I'm going to turn on Thursday, so I'm going to say, I think it's 1. Let's see. All right, that's it. That is it, everybody. I'm going to turn on Thursdays only. Now, look right off the bat with the defaults. We got some good numbers showing up already. So let's reduce this so we can fit it on our chart and recalc. Okay, so we're just going to look at Thursdays. So Thursdays are a winning situation right off the bat. $2,075 is the net P&L. It is 23 wins, 6 losses. 83 ticks is what we've profited. So 83 ticks at 25 bucks a tick. And Thursday. Drawdown here, 1,275 is 61% of our ending P&L. And the average drawdown of all of our drawdowns, both of those drawdowns, are 975. And the dispositions. This is how each trade ended up. we've already got a short set up here coming in. This is a reversing signal. You guys probably don't need to see my beautiful face anymore, so how do we get rid of that? Let me see. Yeah, okay, that's how you get rid of it. Still learning my software here, OBS Studio. Okay, so if anybody does want to see my face, let me know and I'll put it back on, as I'm becoming quite the sensation. The reward to risk is 1.75, so if we're risking $100, we're targeting $175 in profit. That's our exit. And you can see that here. So this is the proposed target. So if we do get filled here, and if our stop loss is here, which is what is recommended, then our target is 1.75 times that distance. So that's where we get down here. Now, the signal is a reversing signal. There's two types of signals in StructureBoss. Reversing signals, which is what this is, and a trending signal. Now, a trending signal would be this triangle right here, where the low is here, but it's a higher low to follow. Then we would buy, because this is an uptrend, and we would buy on an uptrend. A reversing signal is the trend is up, but we're selling on a break of that structure low. So that is generally a reversing signal. You know, when you look at a, let me draw this. I was practicing with this yesterday. Where is the path? Okay, here we go. So here's a trend upward. We're going up. We got a higher low. We got a higher high. Let's go one more. We got this situation, and then all of a sudden we get this. Do you see how that broke through that low? It's very rare that we push to a new high. This is an expanding market. It's kind of odd to ever get that where we get a lower low and then a higher high like that. What usually happens is we get something like this, and then we push down further, right? So this is a rising market, but when we break that support, that's significant. This is what we call a strong low. Strong lows push to new highs, okay? So whenever we get a low and following that we get a new high, that's a strong low, strength here. A lot of buyers stepped in and found new highs off of that. But when that strong low gets violated, we have a change in the direction of the trend. So the idea here is to buy on a breakdown below that. Now, this might be a little, what did I say? This might be a little aggressive, right? But it could also mean that this is now, well, it does mean that this is a strong high now because we pushed to new lows. And that is a sign of great weakness in the market, of downward movement. So that's what a reversing signal is all about. We've gone up, 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 and now we're starting to go down, down, down. Okay. This one's a little odd. We're going up, and it's the first reversal down from that because we've been dropping, 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 and now we're gonna. Okay, this signal will cancel in a moment because we found new highs. So we'll get a new triangle. So there it is. It canceled, and we'll get a new triangle here in a moment. So the other possibility is now we don't sell on a breakout of this value right here, but we sell on a breakout of this one. So if we sell here, this is now a trending signal because we're going to lower highs and we're selling into that lower movement, that downward trend. So reversing signal catches them early. A trending signal catches them a little later. I love this new path tool. I think that's really sweet. So we're going to cancel that one. That one is still in progress. But what I want to do, we've only got 3 days of Thursdays in here. Let's see if I can get more days. I'm going to try and push. I don't know how much data they're going to give me right now. I'm going to go for like 40 days. let's live large. It's tick data, so that's a little harder for um, my data provider to chunk out to me here. Let's see, it's loading. Let's see what this number turns into. Let's see if they get me 40 days. That'll be like what? That'll be like maybe 6 days of Thursdays. Let's see. 5 days. Okay, so we got 5 days of Thursdays, and look, it's been consistent. Our profit is 3,300, $660 per day on average. All right, now that's just with the default values, right? We're going to tweak this. Let's take a look at the overall P&L. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. We have some drawdown periods, so you're looking at, the average drawdown. What was our average here? Is $738 on average. Our biggest one was $1,200. And let's take a look at the time slice P&L. This is Thursday because we're only looking at Thursdays. Good moves in the morning. Good moves in the morning. This is when you want to be trading it. We get a little weaker here. This is not a good time to trade at the end of the day. Well, my analysis is up till 2 o'clock, and then there's really nothing going on here. We might want to tighten this up. So this is session time from 8 to 1600. If we went to 8, I'm only going to be here until about 9:30 today. So you guys don't have to listen to me too long, but I'm just going to do my analysis to 11. Let's see if that affects us. Actually, we do better because we cut out those bad trades at the middle of the day. So we're at $685 a day. So just with basically the defaults, we are doing good here. Type reversing. Let's take a look now at let's increase our target. Why not, right? Target reward to risk. Let's go to like almost 3 to 1, and let's see how that's. Now we're gonna, when I hit this button, the yellow button, take a look at the total P&L and take a look at the average per day. That's what I like to keep on my eye. So we're from 680 to 420. So we increased our target distance, but we lost money. We got less money. And you see in the dispositions, we never hit a target. There's no record of us hitting a target. So the targets are too far out. So I'm going to bring these back to 2.15, let's say. So we hit 3 targets now, which is good, but we're still only at 575 a day. I'm going to reduce this to, I know we were at 175 when we started today. Let's go to 1.35. Again, keep an eye on 575 a day and keep an eye on 2875. 705 a day. So we're doing good. We're doing better. Our win rate is really good, 79%. We had 10 targets this time, and we only had 6 stop loss hits, so that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and take a look at. Let's go ahead and take a look. Hey, if you just joined us, love to have you chime in, leave a message in the chat. Like to see how it's going. Let's try one more down. Let's go to like 0.95. Let's see, it's 705 a day, 3,500. 705. We dropped down. Okay, so we dropped down a little bit. So I think the peak, let's go even lower. Just try it one more. Let's go to like 80%, right? 595. So our win rate didn't change much. We just got less value in our targets. That's probably what happened. So I'm going to go back here and we're going to go up. I think I did 135. Let's go 120. What does that one come in at? 595 a day. Oh, now see how we got a new swing signal. Let's go 140. 595, 680. Let's go up another one, 160. 625. I think this is going to be the sweet spot for our target, 180. 1.8. So let's go with that one, okay? So if we do get filled here, we're going to be targeting that level. If you guys want me to look at any other instrument, I will start from scratch and we will start figuring out a good a good set of parameters here. So now these are back-tested results. I just want to remind you that these back-test results, we might not get $705 today. This is an average. These are back-tested results and back-tests. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. So I'm gonna do that with that in mind. I'm gonna reduce my ZZ value. I was at 0.15. Let's go down to 0.1 and let's see how our 705 a day changes. Very well. That changes really nicely, doesn't it? So in reducing the zigzag, it means we have more signals. We're trading 11 times a day and we're doing $1,600 a day. We've got targets getting hit nicely. We've got a bunch of trailing stops getting tagged. Let's take a look at our lovely overall P&L. Nice, nice, nice. Very few drawdowns. What is our drawdown? Well, we could find out. Go right here. Maximum drawdown of 7%, guys. We are going short in this market. Let's see here, time slice. So shorts, this is a bad time for a short starting at 820, but I don't know. I don't know. Why not? Let's give her a whirl. Again, taking a look here, this was only on one trade in the last 5 days, Thursdays, 5 or 6 Thursdays between 8:20 and 8:30. We only took one trade short, and that was a loss of 18 ticks. Okay, but before that, we had a winner on the longs. Here we have two winners. One is a short and one is a long, and then we're coming into this area. So what we'll do is we're going to keep very, very tight controls on our stops. Excuse me. Still waking up here. Yeah, if you wanted me to look at any other instrument, maybe the MES, which I happen to have a chart right here, let me know. What do you want to trade today? I like silver just because I could fall off a log and find some good settings for silver here. I just love looking at this this equity curve. It's not really a curve, it's a straight line, right? All right, here we go. So I'm gonna go short. Now I'm gonna get a little saucy, and I'm gonna go two contracts, and I'm gonna do a sell stop limit at one tick. I think that's what I want. All right, so we're filled. We are filled. All right, so we're filled. So what I want to do now is I'm going to put an OCO order out. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I don't want to do that because I already got my targets. This is launched as an ATM order. Forgot about that. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to run with that. So on one contract, my risk here is $300. Risking now $600 in this position. That's a little spicy. I will probably exit one of them once I get down to 820, 0.82. All right, let's shoot for that. I might even get out earlier. I don't know. So what I'm going to do, let's get ready for that. So beautiful. My goodness, $1,600 a day, 5 days traded. We're netting $8,000 total. That's a beautiful thing, guys. Let's see if we can get some movement out of this. And you know why? As I mentioned in my post, we have a jobless claims coming out in just about 13 minutes. 13 minutes. Keep that in mind. Productivity and costs. Got a natural gas report at 10:30. And this is a really cool site, guys. useconoday.com. I love this calendar. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So you can see weekly, daily. I like weekly here. So March 2nd. All right, 8:30. Ideally, let's see. I target, you know, I'm targeting $500 a day in my um, target is 500 a day. This right here is per contract is 525. This is my target. So that would be $1,050 if I get down to there. We'll see. Coming into a buying area right here. So if this is a buying area, I'm on the wrong side of the market. And then I got in one tick below the actual suggested entry, so I'm not too thrilled about that. Let's see. If you're joining our channel, hey, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Reach out to me in the chat. Tell me where you're from. And tell me what you like to trade, what instruments you're following, because we could switch around. I'm at your service today. I am at your service. I must have been tinkering last night. I don't even remember, but I have a gross loss of $4.50, and I must have been doing some experimenting. So just ignore this this $4.50 deal, and I realized of negative 17. I don't know what that's from. I should actually. uh, Is a sim account right now. I'm trading sim. Everybody, hope that doesn't offend you. Trading sim. Liking it already. Let's see if, okay, so I just got the end of the bar. So that thing adjusts at the end of the bar. It tells us that we actually have a sell position here. I'm gonna change that, I think, in the code. I want to have that alert be instantaneous. When the minute that we cross below that level, we should at least get a warning saying that we're on the right side of the market. That a position has come in. Look at that, guys. We are on the right side of the market, aren't we? Now, again, this is a historically, we had one trade in this time area. And it was a loser. It was an 18 tick loser. Okay. Out of the last 5 days of Thursdays, which is like 40 days of history. I don't know how many days of history they gave me. I asked for 40. I don't know how much my broker gave me, but let's see if silver can comply. So our target's here, stop loss is here. Just so you know, I do have stop loss trailing engaged. It'll trail at 2.5 ATRs only after we get 2 bars close below that blue diamond. Okay, we had 1 bar here. This one I don't think will qualify because it's right at the blue diamond level. Oh, now we're above it. So I was up like 200, I think $200 here. I'm not up 200, I'm down 200 now. Again, welcome to my live broadcast here on the 2nd of March. I would love to hear from you. Put your chat with me at the beep. Beep. Leave me a message. Let me know if you'd like to look at a different instrument. This is silver. Silver's a heavyweight instrument, okay? It's a heavy metal. It's probably as heavy as gold and maybe even lead. I don't know. I should have checked that. I talked about that yesterday. So now we also have now, since this trend is moving down, we have another reversal signal. So this is a reversing analysis. We're short here, but now there's also a buy signal coming in. So something to consider. If we do move up to this green line, we'd be going long. And that would put a stop below the green triangle, and that would put a target up here. But we are still in the short mode here. So this was a significant buying area. So they went down a little bit below it, which is very encouraging, very encouraging. Broke through that structure, but there was a reaction. I don't like the reaction. If we can get back down into positive territory, down to this level, I'm going to go off plan a little bit, guys. I'm going to put my stop right above this high. Let's get one more tick. There we go. I'm going here because I just don't want to lose 600 bucks. Gotta be honest with you. Right now, we're risking what? 125. So I'm only risking 250 bucks now. Let's hope that this strong selling, this price action, shows that sellers stepped in here. So that means this could be a pretty significant selling area. And if it goes above it, then we don't want to be in this trade. The actual plan, the backtesting results are based on keeping your stop loss up here, okay? I like that. I like that. That's a good railroad tracks. You ever hear that term? This is a candlestick pattern called railroad tracks. A quick rejection of an up move. Silver can do it. Oh, 250, guys. 250. It's like I knew the future. It's like I could see the future. It's like I'm an oracle. Okay. Trailing stop. What happened? Oh, it's still up there. Never mind. What happened is the long signal got canceled because we broke through this low. Okay. Dang, look at that move. I don't like this though. Back and forth here, huh? Again, 8:25. We only have 5 minutes before the news release. Really, I should exit at least one contract, don't you think? So these backtest results here are just on one contract. So 58 trades showing 58 contracts traded. I might exit one contract. I don't want to risk too much. I'm risk averse. I'm old. Old people don't like risk. Old. Isn't that crazy? I'm going to be double nickels in a couple of months. All right, now we got a buy setup. I'm going to silver dilver. Silver is moving against me. Looks like we might get topped. And that's okay. Okay, so we are out. We lost 250 bucks. I am going to go long 2 contracts. Buy at the bid. If we get one tick down, 8:26. We got news in over 3 minutes. I'm glad I got out there. I was smart, right? Because if this gets hit, then this will be a bigger loss than I was willing to take. Problem is, I went in at limit. I'm stingy. I'm a penny pinching trader. 8:27. All y'all. It's a big number. Jobless claims. If we get filled now, We are looking at a target. Where is our target? Our target's going to be this red line up here. I was stingy. I went in and tried to get in at a fancy level. Tried to wait for a little retrace. 828. 828. Oh, hi guys. That's my dog. My dog Wesson. See if I can silence him. All right. Back. Dog. What's on it? All right, where are we at? So, if you did get along at that level, since we closed 2 bars above that price level, we do have a trailing stop. Did move. Excuse me, I just burped right in the middle of everything. $8.29. Here we go. Technically, I shouldn't be buying here because this plan has already been filled and the trailing stop has moved. But I got a good feeling about this. So 8.29. Let's keep an eye. I'm gonna put my stop down here, which is where it originally was. If I get filled. If I get filled. I don't know. I mean, it could spike. Oh, the drama. 8.29. Less than a minute, maybe a few seconds. I don't have a second counts on my clock here. I wish they did. 8:30. Here we go. Let's see if we get that. All right, we're filled, folks. We're filled, and my target, I'm going to go right up to this level. I'm feeling this is a risky trade. The trade actually technically closed out with a trailing stop here. I don't know. Was I right? Was I wrong? Leave a comment. Let me know if you think I was right or wrong for buying at that level at a news breakout. A news event, a big news event. So that's what the MES looks like. I gotta get my money back. I lost 250 bucks. 254 bucks. All right, I like that. I like that. This could work. This could work. Let's see. Don't like that. Getting ready to jump out because if silver does a stupid move downward, I don't want to be on it. It's a pretty significant selling area, so that's got me thinking. We sold off at this area, we sold off at this area, and we sold off at this area. But we bought at this area, and we bought at this area, and let's see if we can buy at this one. Where do silver traders want to move this market? Let's take a look at the MES again. It's gone down good amount. I don't know what the number is. I didn't really care about it. I just know that volatility steps in. All right, so let's see. And you know what? If this isn't our trade, I'm okay because we got more trades coming. Okay, we got more trades coming. We're not done yet. We are not yet done. I have only begun to fight, said was that Nelson? Horatio, Admiral Horatio Nelson. I don't know. I wish I had some coffee. I have some water. If my wife could only read my mind, she'd bring me coffee. Oh, okay. I'm gonna be getting my money back, guys. Money back, money back, money back. I want my money back, money back, money back. Remember that Chili's commercial? Baby back ribs commercial? I want my baby back, baby back, baby back. If you've just joined us, if you have just joined us, let me know where you're at in the world, what you're trading. Hmm. Ooh, look at that. We got some inside movements here. We got selling and buying going on. I don't like it. Silver can turn a good positive trade into a negative trade. What do you think? Should I have gotten out of that long there when I was up 200? Yeah, probably. Yeah, the news really didn't pan out here. MES is still kind of south. If I exit, you know what they say? You can always get back in. That means you don't have to ride the wave the wrong way. Wait for the wave to come back. I'm not liking this. Because what we've got is we've got a lower lows here. Trend is downward. We do have another reversal buy signal, so if it gets back up to here, we could go long again. I'm already long too. I don't need to be crazy here. This is a reversing candle. Don't like that. All right. So we're actually now calling for a short. This did not turn out as I had hoped. But I don't think silver is got its mind made up yet. Considering reversing though, because we do have a good setup here short. The market tends to looking good short. I think I'm gonna reverse here, guys. Look at that, we got back and forth, buys and sells, firing off. One other thing, if you want to ignore long signals, You could go and just say longs no, and they go away. Isn't that nice? You don't get the flags in there. You still get the triangles, but not the flags. If you want to bring them back, just say longs yes, and then the flags will print again. Anyone finding this boring? I know. It is a little boring. The news did not make a move. Really, in silver. Let's see how the MES is doing. Still going down. I really should be. The system is short here, and I'm actually long from a prior signal. So I could see where you might be confused. I'm a little confused too. I admit it. I don't think silver has made up its mind yet. If I get below here, we're back at our entry price. Very rarely do I hit the REV button, the rev or the reverse button on Chart Trader, but I'm ready. I'm ready to do it. Again, technically this trade was risky because I got in late. I actually got in after the trade had closed out. Really shouldn't have done that. Note to self. Look at that, silver. Huh? Glad I didn't go rev on that one. Silver is just confused today. Take a look at our time slice P&L. We're coming into a time when it does hit really well, so coming into a good movement time. So once they get their heads wrapped around the news release, whether it was positive, negative, or neutral. Again, I didn't look at the number. I don't really care what the number is. I'm looking at price action. I'm not a smart trader. Okay, I'm just looking at how other people. I'm a follower, right? Traders are followers. We're all followers. It's true. We're following the market. Well, look who's back at break even. Thank you. I don't know. Can silver break higher? It's been downward move here. We're in no man's land. Anybody have another market they want to look at? Let me know. Put a message in the chat. Say hello. Love to hear from you in the chat, in the chat-tola. The chat-tola. Moving up, guys. Look at that. Just watching the bid and the ask. It is just right there. Silver traders are wondering, what am I going to do at this level? I think they don't know what they want to do. They don't know what they want to do. Should we go up a little bit? I know what they're all saying. They're all saying Ben's in at 20.89. Ben is right here. So let's mess with his head a little bit. I know. I know that's what they're all thinking. So why don't we just do business at 20.89? Take it higher. Yeah. So where are we at here? Nice trend line. Okay, that's not good. It's nice, but it's not nice for me. I'm long. What do you guys think? Let me know. Bail? I think I should bail. The bid is at 20.88. 20.87 now. We're moving down. 88. Moving up a little. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it, guys. 65 now is the bid. 865. 860. 870. Let's move up a little. 875. 880. Lord, boring. Thursdays are supposed to be big days, right? Aren't they supposed to be big days? Another thing I shouldn't have done is probably get in right before the news announcement time. Hello, welcome, Day Trade Asia. Thank you. I see your post. Thank you for joining me. It is in a range. Yeah, I'm in the middle of the range here. Is this Dominic? But look at that, huh? We get some buying coming in. I don't know. I still have hope that we're going, prices go higher. This is an inflationary world. And why don't prices go higher, right? So if I do hit that level, I'm buying everybody a pizza. I'm buying you a pizza if we hit that level. All right, so the bid is right at my entry price. Oh, I'm one up. I'm a tick up. So if I were to exit now, I'd exit flat at a 0p. All right, I like doing this already. Hey, if you would like me to look at another instrument, let me know. I do have MES loaded here, but I haven't done any analysis. I would start from scratch. If you missed the opening of this session, 8 o'clock, about 46 minutes ago, we started the silver analysis from scratch. So showing you exactly what I go through to find different levels right away. Yep, you want to do the MES? All right, silver is going down again. So why don't we get creative? Let's get creative. I don't want to go below here. All right, let's take a look at silver. No, not silver. MES. MES. Mess. That's a mess. What a mess. Let's go to take a look at StructureBoss. Thank you for joining me. Glad to have you along. Let's take a look. We're going to StructureBoss. While my dog barks away, I don't know if you can hear that. I think we're going to get tipped out in silver. Where the heck is it? There it is. Oh, I got too many indicators. Okay, so take a look. MES, Thursdays. I am going to only turn on Thursdays. Let's take a look. These are the default values. So we're up 96 bucks, 71% win rate. MNQ, how about it? Let's take a look. MNQ. All right, MNQ. So with the default values, not too good. Down 410. Take a look at our overall P&L. That is not what we want, but these are the defaults. So let's go ahead and do some modifications. First thing I'd like to do is go down and see if the zigzag has an effect. So we're down 370. If we do that, let's go to one more down. And let's go to 0.07. So that's not helping us too much. Again, this is, oh, you know what we need to do too? I don't like to have the midday included in the analysis. So let's get rid of that. So we're down from 8 to 11 now. The swing is pretty tight. Let's go ahead and increase our profit target. 289. Yeah, not too good. We're going to also increase this. I think that's a little tight. 289 and 461, not so good. So it's not so good, meaning that this is not the type of signal you want to be trading. So we're going to go and switch this to a trending signal. Let's take a look at that. So this is a trending time of day for the MNQ. We don't want to be doing a reversal candle. So that's good to know. I'm going to reduce my R to R. Let's go down to about 2. 2, a little too tight. This is a bigger mover. So let's go back to, let's just experiment, go down to about 1. And it's still not good. So this is not, the volatility here is an issue. So let's go up to 3. So at 3 to 1, reward to risk, swing of 0.1%. We've got about 55% win rate. Win and loss average about the same. So our $53 a day based on 11 trades. Only in the trade about 10 minutes on average. So the drawdown's pretty heavy. Drawdown is big compared to the P&L. So what does that mean? So this drawdown is probably the biggest drawdown, and it is bigger than the current P&L. This is a pretty tough looking. I mean, if you agree with me, let me know. That's a pretty tough looking P&L. I don't know if I want to ride that one out. Only 55% win rate. That's what's killing us. The targets, we get 8 targets at about 1,000 bucks. We've hit 19 stop losses, so this is a tough one to trade. I don't think I would be running to trade this market on a minute basis. On Thursdays, the news came out. That could be really a factor. Let's do all of these. Let's turn on all weekdays and let's see if there's any good ones. So to do these settings, you might be doing it Monday or Tuesday. Thursday is still a possibility. Not too excited about it. So what StructureBoss has given us is the kind of a clear message that it's a bad time to trade these settings on these days in this market. I like Tuesday. I like Tuesday. If we were to go and turn off everything and turn on Tuesday, so we're at 754 on Tuesdays. What does our overall P&L look like? We've had some good moves. Some of that volatility did well. We're kind of on a downward move here. Time slice wise on Tuesdays, we want to be trading probably in the morning area. Let's go back to take a look at Thursdays. One thing we can play with is let's try to do like a $50, well, let's do like a $20 risk per trade in the MNQ. If we do that, not so good. So we don't want to do that. Let's go to a $30 risk. $30 brings us to about 66 bucks a day. So tightening up the risk does seem to help. Look at that. We removed our max drawdown. That's good. What does that now look like? Kind of herky-jerky though. So if you are trading breakouts in the MNQ, could be tough. Could be a tough row to hoe. All right, if we increase our risk to 40, that's not too bad. If we increase that to 50, we do a little bit of a hit. If we increase it to 60, might not be too bad. I don't know. So when we start increasing our risk per trade more, we start getting multiple contracts per trade. So keep that in mind. So there's 47 trades, but over those 47 trades, we are trading 51 contracts. Let's see if we increase that. We're up to 57 contracts. So we're making 102 bucks a day, but it's still some trades are multiple contracts. Overall P&L still very herky-jerky. Anything else you want me to look at, let me know. Ooh, what if we do remove our target? Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, not so good. Overall P&L still looks kind of back and forth. Let's go to one contract per trade only. Yeah, I'm not too impressed with it. Let me know if you think it works, but what if we go crazy and do 3.6 on our target, reward to risk? Let's go to $100 risk per trade. So in 47 trades, we're trading 74 contracts. Win rate is still 55%. I don't like that. I mean, it's rising. There's higher highs generally and higher lows, but I don't know what. There's better. There's better out there than this one. What if we cut back that a little bit? You want to try the ES? Yeah, let's switch over. The MES. Well, just with these settings, not too bad. Only a 52% win rate, but we are winning 36 versus average loss of 27. That's not too bad. Hitting its target 7 times. Let's see what we got here. We got there 2. This is reduce the target. Yeah, that hit pretty hard. I think if we hold for longer targets, let's go big here. Let's go big or go home. That's not too shabby. Not too shabby there. It's still a 51% win rate. So that means this P&L is back and forth a little. I think it's better. I think it's better. What do you think? Let's see our time slice. Excuse me. So we missed our good time of the day. Our good time of the day is from 8:30 here until 8:50. It is now 8:56. That's why our black dot is here. Kind of moving into a back and forth part of the day, but we missed our big opportunity. And this trade turned out to be a loser today. So glad we missed it. Just back and forth. Look at that. Just a bunch of back and forth. Let's go a little bit crazy on this and see if that helps. Had we done that, we would have picked up a winning trade here, a winning trade here, and a losing trade here. So for the day, we might have been ahead. I don't know. The market is just back and forth here. Oh, let's go over to silver quick. All right, so we got stopped out silver. Silver is confused too. It's just back and forth here. This guy got stopped out if it goes. So we're short from this level, short from here as well. 2 short trades. We would have done good had we been in those shorts, but we're not. 2 minute chart. We could definitely take a look. So 2 minute chart. Let's increase our well, let's first drop our target. Let's just see if that helps. Nope, didn't help that one. I'm keeping an eye again. I'm keeping an eye on our total profit, which is right here, and our dollars per day. I don't know if I want to do that, but let's go down to 2. 375, $94 a day. Overall P&L, not too bad. You know, I don't like this 212-point move against us. That is the biggest drawdown was 279, which is 74% of our P&L. Just kind of in the range here today, just in the range. The news event was right at that candle at 8:30, and that was with a winner. That was the winning trade. Let's take a look at let's increase this to 10. 375 down to 14. Yeah, so that's not good numbers. We go to 15. Start losing. Let's go back to there. That's not good. We needed 10, I believe. I think I had 10, but I also had 4. I'm going to go to one contract and see if that makes a difference. One contract, we're down to $54 loss. $61. I don't know. We had it there for these are very sensitive numbers, so I don't like that in general. Back testing, you want robust numbers. I don't really trade on anything but a 1 minute, but I'll do like 100 tick. In the ES, I might do like a 500 tick. I don't know. Hard to find some good numbers there too. Big time overall P&L is down. Let's go and switch over to like a 500 tick. See if we can save this one too here. 500 tick. Still loading. All right, 500 tick. Oh, gotta get more days. I only got 1 day in there. That's today. Let's shoot for 30. Might be hard to get some tick data now that the market is bouncing around. Let's see what they can give us. While that's loading, take a look at my silver again. Silver is in a range, but it is a good short. All right, we're still loading on our 500 tick. And this is a trending signal, so we could switch to reversing, see if that works. In general, still loading. This is the MES. Why don't I go long? Let's go with 3. Buy stop market. Let's do 3 there. Our target is going to be way up north. I don't really have good numbers because I've only got 1 day here. Still loading. We are filled. Stop loss is right here. What is silver? Boy, I don't know, guys. It's sleepy today. I didn't watch the number. I don't know what jobless claims was today, but I'm looking for a market move, and it's just not here. We got a bunch of happy traders that are just happy right where they're at. A lot of traders that say, you know what, that's a good price. Why don't we just stay here for a couple of days? Or why don't we go down? I don't like that idea. All right, so those 2 silver shorts got taken out for 1 tick of profit. I'm gonna go long. I know what you're saying, Ben. You're nuts. You're a nuthead. But I am gonna go on my silver, which has just been cranking it out on Thursdays. I'm gonna go and do a buy at the bid here. Buying 2 at the bid. MES is just not agreeing with me today. Silver, if we get down 1 more tick. Let's see if we can get filled. All right, we're filled. I'll do a stop here. My target will move to there. And if that works out, guys, then we're buying pizza because I could use recovery. Where is MES? I don't know, Dominic. It's just not moving my way today. Look at that. Let's hope that we find some support here. Got a nice little rising trend line. Let's see if we can move that up. Silver, where are we at silver-wise? So silver recommended going on this long at 20.85. I'm in at 20.835. Feeling pretty smart. I don't know. Smarts just doesn't cut it today. I got both of them going against me. They're conspiring. It's a conspiracy. It's a conspiracy, I tell you. There's MES. There we go. We're rounding the third and heading for home. Here we go. As my dog barks in the distance. My dog's name is Wesson. He's a pretty good guy. He really is. He's a Jack Russell Terrier, though. So if you're a squirrel or a golf cart or a neighbor, you are public enemy number one. He's a squirrel dog. I wish I had better news here, but this is just not working out for me. Jesus is in control. The Lord is the King of the universe. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an... Oh, there we go. Awesome God, he reigns. Heaven above. Yes, golf cart. If you are... If the Russians invaded in golf carts, my dog would let us all know. He's ridiculous. Oh, look at that. Nice. He just gets out of his head when a golf cart goes by. That was pretty rough. Pretty rough for us to deal with. Anybody else here have a Jack Russell or another dog that likes to bark? Guys, there's nothing going on here. Look at this. Are people awake today? Are they out and trading? I don't know. But you know what? It's always quiet before the storm in trading. It's always quiet before the storm. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do about this. This has me upset. Has me upset. Nothing. Nothing good. I'm gonna do it again though. I'm gonna do a sell at the ask. We are short. Stop and target is placed. Where are we at? What's our end game here? So it would be I'd recover all my losses. 2 contracts, that would be a $1,100 move. I got in at a tick below the suggested entry. MES, where are you at? Well, you're still just look at that, just floating there. Have you ever seen it this slow? Am I in a... Yeah, they are strange. I don't remember it being this slow on a Thursday. Look at this. Maybe my data is messed up, but I don't know. But hmm. Again, past performance over here. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. And I do need to remind you there are periods of drawdowns. There are drawdowns. There are drawdowns. And we might be in one right now. We might be in one. Yeah, it's not honoring structure. Well, right now, the structure it's honoring is range bound, right? So breakouts, maybe a bad day to do any sort of breakouts. So a reversing signal isn't so bad then during a range-bound market, except if it's got a smooth range. If there's no swings in the range, then I'm just not going to be. I just really think it's not going to be hitting. We need range bound, but we also need, some entry signals, some swings that are getting broken in that range. All right, MES. We're gathering steam here, Dominic. We're heading north. Come on. It's so strange, isn't it? Yeah, fund managers mentioning that too. I don't know if they're being manipulated or not. Everybody's can corner and move the market that has a lot of money, but it takes a lot of money to move the ES. I just don't see any movement at all. So is it just nobody here today? What other market can we look at? Since I'm totally bored out of my skull on these, let's see if let's see what the 6E did. I'm cracking myself up. Okay, let's try that one. I'd like to see a little more green down here, guys. Huh? Who wants to see a little more green on their P&L? I do. Oh, I don't want this one. I want my templates. I want to go blank. This is my own little trend system that I was tinkering with, but I'm just going to blank it out right now. Okay. My platform is slow mover today. This is just it's 9:15. I was gonna trade till 9:30 today. I should have stopped at 8:30. Okay, let's take a look at the StructureBoss for this guy. All right, default values for the 6E show Thursdays are 375. Don't do it on Fridays. Let's see what we got here. Let's go to, first of all, let's only turn on that. Let's reduce this again down to 11. I'd like to move earlier because of the Eurocentric focus on this one. And I'm going to go down to 10. Let's see. So that's not good for Thursdays. Let's take a look at increasing our target. No, we're not hitting any targets at that level anyway, so let's go shorter. Not too bad. $206 on 4 days. Ew, that's an ugly looking one. Don't like that one. Silver coming back here? Oh, silver. You know what? You move so fast when you want to move. You could just move down to here. Okay. This is Crazy Ben talking to the silver market. Um, let's go even tighter and just see 206. Yeah, not so good. 85. Very, very sensitive. I don't like that. That's not a good thing. Oh, let's try the trending. Let's try reverse it to a trending signal. Well, well, well. Ta-da. Okay. Ta-da. $1,300 on a trending signal. Trending seems to be a better way to go. Let's increase that to 1.2. Still not doing too bad. I'm going to move my trailing stop. Let's tighten that up a little bit. Didn't help. But probably had less drawdown when we did that. If we go down to like a 1, drawdown went down. We were at 55, we're at 46, so that's good. See, that drawdown got eliminated or reduced. So back and forth. I'm going to go a little bit on our target. Go to 2.0 on targets. Not too bad. Not too bad. We don't hit any targets. You notice that once I increased that, we dropped out all of our targets on the dispositions. So I'm going to go down to 1. We're hitting 2 targets now in the history. Let's go down to like 0.7. Yeah, we doubled our profit when we decreased that target. So not too bad. Overall P&L looking better. All right, where's silver? I'm going back to silver. Where is MES? MES. Wow, look at that, Dominic. We were positive. Crazy talk. Don't want that to happen too long, so let's go down again with some force. I'm just not happy with this market today. Silver, though. Let's see if silver can do anything. You know, we've got lower lows, lower highs, so I'm kind of happy to sit here for a little bit more. 920, the market is going to be opening relatively soon. I like that. 6E seems to be pretty sharp. I think I'll look at time slice P&L. Six E, a short. There's 5 shorts at the open between 9:45 and 10 anyway. So that is possible. I don't know. Not much else. You guys are saying, Ben, get off the 6E. Nobody trades a 6E. What do we trade? Crude oil. Duh, I didn't even think about crude. Let's try that. For those of you who like micros, let's do a micros. MCL, where did I put it? MGC, no, energy. I put it up here. I don't know why I did. Probably shouldn't have. Let's move that over to the MCL. Minute chart on the crudes. Silver, back at my entry. Not too impressed though. Look at that, just nothing. Whole bunch of nothing going on. One contract. I think I need to get back to some normal stuff. All right, thank you much for joining me. Have a great day. God bless you. And thanks for joining. Have a good one. All right, let's see. So nice to have Dominic stop by. That's good. Great guy out there in the Philippines, helping traders get going in the. He likes the MES. Excuse me. He likes the MNQ. I like them too. They don't necessarily like me. They don't necessarily like me. All right, MNQ. Guys, We got to move on silver. We got to move on silver. We got two silver shorts. I'm going green on this. The market is 9:23 in the morning, so we still got 6.5 minutes or so before the open. But if you wanted to move down silver, I really ain't got no problem with that. Look at this, guys. We had shorts. These diamonds up here are shorts. They were the right trade. It's just they got touched out by our trailing stop. Where is MES right now? MES is still messing with me. Down 41 bucks in that. What is this? P&L must be horrendous. Horrendous P&L on crude. Horrendous. That might not ever come back. Loading tick data during the busy market times is not always smart. Especially when I ask for 30 days. Let's see if that takes forever. Again, this is a 500 tick chart on the MES. We're looking at 5 days of history. Maybe it needs to go back to a minute. Maybe it needs to go back to a minute. We could try it. How many days are getting loaded here? 20 days. That's what we want. I need my stop down to that nearby one. So again, in silver, we're short. There were two shorts put in. This purple triangle and this little purple triangle there. Those are two shorts. We are short now. We're targeting down at $20.67.5. Yeah, it's just gone nowhere today. Nothing. It has gone just nowhere, Bill. Not too impressed. Who is not too impressed? I am not too impressed. Just not finding much that works. And that's good to know. You know, not every day is going to be a ride home to mama and buy a pizza day. I'm gonna, I am gonna move my target down because I just don't think this market is moving today. All right, 927. It should move right at the open. I don't know. Should. Market should do a lot. I just don't like that. What a mess. So it gets messy when we have this kind of consolidation move in a trending market. So we're long, technically we're long from filling it right there. In the crude market. But we have a short possible here, we have a short possible here, we have a long possible above that. Gets a little messy. I don't know. I'm just watching crude, watching MES. Watching silver be really mean. I did a good day yesterday, guys. If you want to see some trading I did yesterday on the 1st of March. That is recorded and it's in the books. Silver is rounding third and heading south. I'm okay with that. 928. Ooh. Which way is the market gonna go? Is it gonna be a snap and go down or a hero and go up? So what if we did this? What if we took a look right at the analysis of 9 o'clock to, let's cut this back till 10. That's a little tight. Let's see. We gotta go larger targets with the volatility increase. And I'm just not finding anything that works this time of day on Thursdays. So, you know, the market is opening. And that means volatility is big on Thursday after that release, right? So nobody's happy. And that's good information too. We got to know when to stay out of the market. $9:30. Market is open now. The market is open. Where is MES? Is just messing with me. Oh, that's good. That's moving up. Kind of flying here. See the pants flying. MES is positive again. Mark this day on the calendar. Let's see if we have any conviction out there, any moves. Silver is just back and forth on me. Yeah, I like that. MES is back negative. So MCL is just back and forth. It's not found a direction yet. I don't know. I don't know if I can get positive on today. Trade and structure levels. Good old-fashioned price structure. All right, so we're positive a little tick here or there in silver. MES not making me happy. Anyone know a good joke? I'm ready for a joke today. Share a joke. There's a big number. It's a natural gas report, I think, today. So that might influence that. Yeah, I don't know. Look up in the dictionary the definition of a languish, and you might see March 2nd, 2023 in there. All right. Well, we are out of silver. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results, all y'all. It's 9:33. I was only trading until 9:30 today. MES has got a sell set up. So that is this new sell setup right here. Not too impressed with it. We need a good breakthrough. We need some movement, right? Some conviction to get this languishing market. All right, silver is interesting now. ES is moving up. All right, we're back in the silver market. ATM. Mm, 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 mm. I don't think I've been more positive. I think I was like 225 positive on one trade at one point. So it's just been a rough day, guys. It's been a rough day. But it's silent. It's quiet before the storm. It is darkest before the dawn. Who thinks they know? I thought I knew. I don't know. Thought I knew where the market was going to go today. Okay. Silver, you could go up. I'm about ready to cut the MES loose. Not really liking you. Remember the days of trading when nobody would bet against the US stock market? Well, I don't know. Lately, it's been some dark clouds over the US stock market. Been some dark clouds. 250. So we're doing okay now in silver, but oh, MES is coming back. We got some makeup. So this short trade, had we been in it, we would be. Look at that. It just did not push below there. So this short trade is going to be stopped out for a loss today, right here. But we didn't go there. Actually, I did go there, but I got out earlier. So I actually went short right here, right at that area. It went down, and then it took me out right, I think right about here. All right, 300. So if I get this one, I'm gonna be up about another 350-ish. Let's see. If I get out here, I'm up another 275, so 550. I'll make some of it back. Trail has moved in the silver market, and you look at you, little pooper. All right, so let's move our trailing up in silver. Maybe silver found a direction, huh? MES had a little rally. Let's see another measured move, huh? Let's go up MES. Let's give a little brightness here. Silver and gold. Guys, I might have gotten on a good silver trade. I'm sure the stop is going to trail. I just pray. I ask that God bless you today, keep you, no matter what you do in the markets or whatever the market does to you. God, just pray that God blesses you. I had a good morning. I met up with some friends of mine from my church, a guys meeting, guys only. Sorry, ladies not invited. So we drank coffee. I had a Dunkin' Donuts bagel. I'm just a regular guy. All right, I'm uh, I'm winning finally at a silver trade. It's got some green numbers. Oh, guys, we might hit our target, and I'll only be down like $600 if. uh, the Apostle Paul says, "Learn to be content in all things," right? Whether you abase or abound. And I'm working on it. I am working on it. Silver trail moved. Silver trail moved. Let's hope it goes to target. Oh, one more tick, gentlemen and ladies. One more tick. Orders filled. I'm only down 529, y'all. Yeah, I was down, gosh, I was down 14 at 100 at the time, right? Woo! Hey. All right, so if I were to hit this target, guys, 60 bucks times three, because I'm in three, that's $180. So put it in the books. I hit a target, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Look at that. It had me scared, to be honest with you. Like down here, we were down 1,400 bucks. Had me scared. I was a chicken. I was scared. 943. Excuse me, guys. Sorry if I'm coughing a lot, but oh, look at that reversal. I'm not used to talking this much, to be honest with you. All right, so by setup ES, I just got an alert. So who wants to add to this position? No, I wouldn't do that. I'd be a nut. You go wherever you want to go, Silver, because I got out at the top floor. I got out at the top floor. I got out at the top floor. Look at that. I got out at... That's one tick away from the top. Easy, right? Picking tops and bottoms. It's like easy. Nobody wants to buy VES today. I did. I bought it. I'm glad you're sticking with me. I haven't resorted to too much singing. I did a little bit. You know what? Since it's a boring market, maybe I should turn on my camera so you guys can watch me. I think that's this key. Am I on? Am I coming? I'm coming through. Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Any songs you want me to sing? Let me know. Sing along with me. Sing along with Ben today. I can do some Elvis songs, but I don't like to. I can stay quiet. You want me to shut up? Let me know. All right. Wow, look at that. Back and forth. It's colorful though. Colorful and who wants me to place a 100 lot trade buy in silver? 100 lot. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine the margin? But 100 lot is what, 2,500 bucks a tick, guys. Scalp for 2 ticks. Oh man, that would be wild. One day, okay, I'm gonna get to that level. I'm gonna be trading 100 lots in the silver. There we go. See, now we got a little separation. I like to see that. Really bad. Let's see if we can find something else to trade. I'm gonna go and duplicate this in a new tab. And I'm gonna switch this over to the, oh, why not? Let's do ever do the ZL soybean oil, guys. Oh, look at that. We're up in the ES. Soybean oil. You think I'm nuts? You think I'm nuts? Let's go back here to 2.2. 96 bucks. Oh, we need more than 30 bucks a trade, guys. That's what we need. 936. Soybean oil. Tell you, when the ags are running, they are running. We don't want to trade before 9. Maybe we do. Some profitable trades there. Overall P&L. See? Soybean oil. I like soybeans. What does this do for us? This is a minute bar. And I'm gonna increase that. I never really rarely go up that high. But for this, I might as well give it a shot. I go in about, 0.05 increments. 91% win-loss ratio. Good night. I had one loss right here. Boom, boom. That was it. It's not too bad. Okay. So, no, I don't want that. I want my lovely MES trade. We got 2 more. Look at that. It's looking for... So, we got multiple longs here. I'm going to do it. I'm going to buy another one. I'm long 6. I'm long 6, guys. Maybe we got some movement in the MES. Maybe the stock indexes are going up here. Bean oil is going up. So, is this a good time to trade bean oil? Let's take a look. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. And my target is pretty tight, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna buy 2 at the bid. Let's see if we get filled in that one. MES is looking pretty good. What a mess. That's a MES day. It's a mess day. 100 bucks, guys. I might even make up my loss today. Where did my stop? Oh, my stop moved up. I gotta move my trail stop. Ah, dang it. Got away from me, guys. Look at that. Got away from me. It could retrace. We'd be targeting that level. Moving my trailing up. Moving my trailing stop up. Man, why did Dominic... You know what? It was Dominic's fault. When he was in this room earlier, I was languishing. Oh, we're filled. And now I'm not languishing anymore. Oh, guys, we're long in the bean oils. All right, let's put our trail here. Yeah, I'm liking that. That's looking good. ES. We're moving our trail stop in the ES, guys. One thing, when you get StructureBoss, I'm going to give you a suite of really good wave files to use. It is, I want to move that even tighter. I don't know about you, MES, you mess with me. And these wave files will give you announcements when a new long setup occurs, a new short setup occurs, or, check it, when we get a trailing stop move. And it also tells you what market it is. So you will love this. It's a suite of wave files for the alerts. I can get you basically any market you want to hear on. Any market you want to listen to, let me know. All right, well, we got stopped out. I got stopped out, guys. I was greedy. Penny pincher. Look at that. What's going on? All right, ZL. This is where our hope is right now. Control F3. This is a $114 move. $6 tick. See that? 16 bucks a tick. $6 a tick. Sorry, I can't read today. $6 a tick in the beans, oils, and oily beans. Oh, where did silver go? Oh, look at you, baby. All right, but hey, I did pick the top basically of that move, and now it's going back up. That's really good to see. We do have a sell set up in silver down here, guys. All right, the bean oil, not too impressed, guys. But I think with two contracts, what was that target? 114? So that'd be 228. I'd make a little money back. No, you guys still looking at me? Hey, all y'all. I'm gonna go off of that because you guys don't want to look at my face. I know you don't. All right, now we're getting ugly here. All right, 594 a day. We're coming up at 9:54 in the morning. I really didn't plan on being here this long. I think I'll leave it, once this trade is done. Let's wrap up the oil trade. Bean oil, not crude. Excuse me. MES is a mess. But I got that silver though. I nailed that thing. Look at that. I nailed it. From that entry up to that exit on two contracts. That was a $900 trade. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, the bean oil. I had hopes. It too has entered the channel. The channel. It has entered the channel trading situation. Nobody's breaking out. Or the MES now. I'm glad I got out, guys. I'm glad I got out. I got out at a good point. Good location. 956. What do we have on our petroleum? Our gas report is at 10:30. We're coming up on 10 right now. Why don't we do that? Let's take a look. I'm gonna close this out, guys. Let's go and take a look at the energy markets. Let's see natural gas. We don't look at that very often. Bean oil is flirting with soybean oil is another buy setup. Not too impressed. NG. 500 tick NG chart. 3 days involved. We're up $600. Let's see if we can increase that. I'm asking for 30 bucks, 30 days. We're out of this is the bean oil. We're short in gas, natural gas. You feel lucky? You got a half hour before the natural gas report. So my 91% win rate, that didn't help me today. Because we had a loser and a loser. Yep. 10 wins and 2 losses now. And a second loss. MCL. We're long from there. Natural gas. Let's see. Look at that. They increased that time to pass the natural gas report, and we got real problems. So we don't want to be trading right around here. Best time of the day is early, earlier the better. Let's go to like 7. And I'm gonna go here to like 10:30. Guys, this is the time of the day to trade it, right? Between those 2 hours, 7 to 10:30, much better. Don't want to trade natural gas report at 10:30 on a Thursday. Much better. That's a good looking one. 500 tick chart. Reward to risk. Let's go down a little bit. Let's see if that helps. It does. It does. What is our overall P&L? It's good. Something to think about in the future. Again, bean oil dropped us out. Crude. I don't know. I don't know. Been just weird. I got my silver trade. I know you guys are saying, all right, let up on the silver trade. You're such a hero. I'm a hero to all silver traders. This is a little indicator that's a minutes per bar, so it give me idea. We're short silver if you do want to go. I wouldn't though. I think it's got a strong move up. Natural gas. 10 o'clock. We're at the 10 o'clock time right now. Bean oil, you went and did me wrong. This is me, guys. This is where I got on right here. I lost 18 ticks. 2 losers in this history. Boom and boom, and I got on one of them. Hashtag who can relate. Oh, now look at you. If I was a discretionary trader, I'd be buying right here. All right, so that's looking good. Maybe we should think about going long in the see, silver. That trade is going to be showing up as a loss in the P&L. All right, let's take a look at going long on the silver. So we're long. Let's do a stop here and a target here. I got in a little advance of that, guys. I guess I should have waited for it to print. I like the MCL. Oh, wait, did I say I was going to leave after that last trade closed out? Well, I did. I didn't. I did not. All right, so this is going. Another long trade in Silva. A little back and forth. YouTube is getting mad at me because I'm taking up all their hard drive space. Tough luck. You offered it to me. It's silly. Hmm. I don't like this setup. A lot of top wicks. Officially a long entry here. I got in a tick or two to the good of that one. Yeah, 2 ticks to the good of that. But it doesn't help if it's a losing trade. 10:04 in the morning. What does my time slice look like? It's a little dicey for trades that enter at this time of day. I know, you don't like it when the flags print on top. I don't blame you. I'm not too happy about it either, but that's just the way it's gonna go. Obscures the view. I guess we could. You know what we could do is get off that account, and those pennants will disappear. All right, we got a sell setup. We got a buy position. Yeah, bean oil. Did me wrong. Good thing I'm not a vindictive person. Silver is lackluster. Again, good move. Back to break even. I like that. All right, I admit if I hit that target up there, Domino's pizza for everybody. What do we got as a big target? 6.25. 6.25 per contract. Well, let's see here. Silver is still giving me back and forth. You guys like it that I'm quiet or not? Let me know. Let me know. Ten oh eight in the morning. in New York. Oh yeah, I can do cheesy accents too. I get my New York accent. I could do cheesy. I could do cheesier than that. I do a good like I guess it's like an Atlanta accent. And I'm not gonna do it right now. I knew a guy from France once. Definitely, I mean, grew up in France and everything, and he would make fun of the people from. He was from Paris. No, no, he was from the south of France, but he made fun of the Parisian accent, and I couldn't make out much of the difference, but they think it's funny. Uh, the word for bread in French is P. I think it's Pain. It's pain in English, and the Parisians would go pain, and he thought that was hilarious because he would say like pen or something like that. He had a different accent. I don't even know, but he thought that was so funny, and I had no clue what he was talking about. So isn't that strange how accents people get all hung up on them? Look at silver. Look at it. Back forth, up, down. I think we could push to new highs. I think we could. I don't think it'll be affected by the natural gas report. It's coming out in 20 minutes. I don't like being, down 660. I don't like being down 660. I like having some more money. Win some, lose some. I like the Atlanta accent, American Atlanta. I'm not gonna do it though, okay? You make fun of me. I also do a very good, I think a very good kind of Midwestern kind of hick. I'm from Chicago, so you can make fun of Chicago accents. I don't care. I might think you're funny though, if you try and do one. I might laugh at you. The people are funny. Going back and forth in silver. Thinking about bailing out. This though is a really good. You ever hear of a rising triangle? I'm gonna turn off the shorts, get them out of my face. So this is a rising wedge, um, which portends higher prices, and it is going higher. The revenge of the rising wedge. Oops. Oh, look at you though. Rejection. The buyers are saying, you know what, it's too high. I'm not going to continue buying. That's just too high. I'm gonna let the sellers come in and start hitting the ask or the bid. Hit the bid. Buyers are backing up saying, I don't want to go there. You ever listen to Jim Gaffigan? There's another topic. Jim Gaffigan is a good comedian. I like him. We actually, my wife and I went and saw him. Gosh, it was like right at the tail end of the pandemic, maybe the end of 2021, maybe? Yeah, that was good. He likes to get into the head of his audience, and he likes to talk, like, say what they're thinking. So I think that's kind of funny. I get into the head of markets. Yes. Part of my evil plan to recoup my losses is for silver to move higher. Bean oil, you did me wrong. You did me wrong. We're still short in natural gas, 2 contracts. Wait. No, it should be 1. Oh, 1. Short 1, guys. I can't read. Still long. No, we're not long. We got stopped out on trailing stops. Bean oil's doing nothing. Short still here. And we're long in silvers. Long in the SI. Guys, I really thank you for joining me. It's been boring, except for the parts where we lost my money in the sim trading. I did hit a target today. Let it be known, I did hit 1 target. I'm going to put it down in my trading journal. I hit a target. And I think I had like 4, 5 stop outs. Yeah, one of them was bean oil. Bean oil. 10 wins, 1 loss. And now look at you. That was the way to go. And I am one of the 2 losses at that on that number. My wife is talking loudly. If you can hear her. On the phone with her friend. Yeah, I like that. I like rejection of low prices. If I bought 100 contracts of silver, what would that do? Would that move the market? Would the sellers step back and go, whoa, I'm out of here? What's our average volume on this candle? 131. So I would basically be buying 1 whole candle's worth of contracts, right? These are right around. It's a 100 tick candle, and I am getting about 100, a little over 100 on average volume on each candle. So the old argument is a tick equal to a unit of volume. It's close, but it's not exact. All right, I'm gonna move this up. I'm moving it up, guys. And well, that's good. Look at that. We are drawn to and close. It's 10:16 in the AM. I got to get other stuff done. I got stuff to do. I can't be trading all day here. I love you guys. I'm so thankful that that you came today. Comment, leave me a message. Say hello. Want a free ruler? Ask me in the comments. Email me. I'm up for that. I'll send you one. The one that I use, the one I made myself with my own brain. We're about to get stopped out in silver here. And that's okay, because it's time to go. I'm so glad we had this time together. And I got to get some coffee. That's it. We're officially out of the market. Rough day today. It's just not moving. I think afternoon, perhaps after this gas report comes out. And in any event, I'm glad I got out. I wish you all the best. God bless you. Stay well. Email me to contact me. Love to hear from you.